Hello, welcome to my video on personality disorder 8 is under cluster B, avoidant personality disorder. You have to understand the difference between personality disorders under cluster A, cluster B and cluster C. Personality disorders under cluster A are eccentric behavior. People find it difficult to relate to others. Personality disorders under cluster B, people are emotional and dramatic. They find it difficult to regulate their emotions. And today we start personality disorders under cluster C. People are fearful and anxious. Here, genetic may play a very important role, but equally or more is environment and life experience that makes them unhealthy relationship. Please watch my video on Introduction to Personality Disorders to know the origin, symptoms of personality disorders. Well, friends, I get some feedback from people. They feel that even without psychological development being successful and people having personality disorders, they are successful in career, business and family. Well, for people who don't know about personality development and personality disorders, all these behaviors are accepted as a normal. But a person who understands the psychological developments and personality disorders definitely work on it and see that these are properly made successful. For example, if psychological development 1 fails, people will not have trust and faith in people around. If psychological development stage 2 fail, they will not be autonomous, they will not allow anyone to be autonomous. Thirdly, if the third stage fails, they will not take any initiative and they will not allow anyone to take initiative. So on. So let us see in cluster C what are the personality disorders. The first one is avoidant personality disorder. Second one is dependent personality disorder. And third is obsessive compulsive disorder. So today I begin with avoidant personality disorder. The symptoms are low self-esteem, have fear of rejection, limit their friend circle and dependent on whom they feel comfortable with. I hope you have watched my video on psychological development stage 1. As I mentioned earlier, without trust and faith which they have developed during 0 to 18 months breastfeeding stage, a person will not be successful. If this stage is failure, then all the remaining stages of psychological development will be a failure. Let me explain other symptoms. They avoid activities that involve interpersonal interaction because fear of rejection, fear of criticism, disapproval and rejection. They feel inadequate, inferior to others. They may have a life position attitude that I am not okay, others are okay. Further, they have injunctions, that is, don't do messages from parents and elders. The most important injunction is don't be important. Here the child is neglected, child is not given any importance, as if the child doesn't exist at all. So everybody want their children to grow, they want to be successful. But if you don't want to ensure that psychological developments are successful, to avoid personality disorders, how can you expect your children to be successful? Well, don't be panic, there is a hope. People who have attended my workshop used to say, I hope I had attended this workshop session before getting married, so I would have brought up children as a normal people. I would have had a better relation with my wife, and I could have managed my people problem at workplace. So learn 12 transactional analysis concept. Join my next session. To join my next session, please call me on my mobile 9822876170. Well friends, my vision is personality development for all, and my mission is I spread awareness through my YouTube videos and online sessions. So please take advantage of that. Please watch, subscribe, like and share with others so that everybody get the benefit. Well friends, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe and encourage me. Give me a like and share. Thank you.